Today, Erco Bender 65, Erco Bender 76. We're going to show you how to set the clamp die switch assembly. Probably one of the most delicate parts of setting up the tooling involved. There's two limit switches in here. If it's not set correctly, too much travel, you'll have an error on the machine, the signal, or the clamp timeout situation. So we'll show you how to set that properly. First of all, right now the whole box is loose. So we're going to just come in, put a piece of material in, a drop piece of material, slide the cylinder forward, come over to our control, turn our pumps on, select manual, and this is clamp arm. Take your handheld, bend it, plus, close the clamps. Clamps are now closed. I want to make sure the fingers are engaged on the top and the springs are out of the way. Switch box is still loose at the moment. Right now we're going to take the whole switch box, push it forward about 3/16 of an inch, and lock it down with the handle. I'm going to come back to the control. Handheld again. Minus, open, plus, close them. Just make sure that you're actuating well, fingers are engaging.